All right, so what we have here is a 2013 Maserati Gran Turismo. This is a repeat customer of mine, and he's called me several times to come out to his office, and that's why you see all these leaves around me, and I'm just outside in the outdoors. It's a beautiful day, and we have a small door ding right here, right on the body line. And I want to give you an inside look of what it's going to look like whenever I show up to your place of work or residence and I repair a dent on your vehicle. So come along on this little journey with me. All right, and so here are the tools I'm going to be using for this repair. I have my hammer and knockdown that I use for every repair, my blending hammer, and then this is the window guard that protects your window so I don't scratch it. And then here is the wedge I'm going to put. This wedge will create a gap that'll allow me to put this tool down the window. And I have my soft tip tool there. See that soft tip there? That'll give me some good broad pushes. And then I have this. This is my sharper dent, and I can take this tool and shape it however I need. And then this is my light. This is what I use to see the dents. Has a suction cup and everything. You'll see how that adheres to the car soon. So this is what I'm going to use for this repair. Like I said, I am here at the customer's place of work. So I'm in the grass, and here it is. That's that. So what I'm going to do is what you'll see, we did have to get another tool into the mix because there is some sound deadener here in this door, so I need a little bit of a sharper push. So I got a different tool, but now I just take out the window wedge, window guard, put the window back up, and collect payment, and that's that. And if you have a similar dent on your vehicle, bigger, smaller, doesn't matter, this is what we do. We come to your place of residence around Woodlands, Spring, Conroe, Tomball, Shenandoah, Willis, all those areas, and we take care of your dents. So give us a call, text us some photos of your damage, and we'll get right with you.